We have Sunday, we are after 2 hours of trip in this lovely Twingo. Yeah, we are 1 minute away from the place where the E30 is. And today we are picking it up from the guy that did a swap with the new engine. And we are about to drive this car back home 2 hours with the new engine in. Hopefully without any adventures, but who knows? What's pooping, man?
Tam, chodź zobaczyć tego gruza.
Oh shit! Bozo, what is shitting?
What is shitting? Like
I mean, what is pooping good looking?
this.
Yes, that is shitting.
That of yours, yeah?
Oh, let's do the thing again. So actually, before we go in, let me show you something. This right here is actually the donor car that we had for the engine. The engine was in this car a month ago, and that's how it looks.
It's good, no?
Very good.
Zajęte.
Hello.
Siema. Okay.
Let's go, boys. See. Oi.
It's pretty cold still.
There is no space.
Wow. What is the switch?
This is ventilator.
Can you hold the camera? I don't know how is it good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Spek to jest?
Full throttle.
Hit it.
Let
Yeah,
it
warm up. I can already feel it.
Yeah.
There.
Do you feel
Boom.
the power?
The clutch feels much different.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No, czuć.
Second gear. Let's see.
Patrz te obroty, patrz rekordy. Speed
Fun.
up. Hey.
And a bit of popcorn. I like it.
Yo.
Nice.
Man, this
Yo,
is mad.
actually, speedometer is working good.
Yeah?
Speedo, I don't know.
Look at RPM. VTEC! 9K!
Man, what is
This
this?
thing is fast. Man, no one knows about it, but this thing is really fast.
Man, this is mad.
What?
This feels good.
Really, it's like... Nice. Hello, Mr. Parrot.
Okay. First impressions is fast. Let's see how reliable it is if we make it home. 2 hours.
Mark, what are you doing, Mark?
Using the free water. It's good, man.
Made it. No problems whatsoever, man.
It's actually running like 20 times more better than it was running.
Well, I didn't need to push it home, so.
Yeah, so that's...
Okay, we didn't really plan this, but the situation is as follows. Yeah, go garage. Marco, can you explain what you're doing?
I am swapping the steering wheels because since we're not gonna use Kevin anytime soon, we might as well use this one for the time being. It's our original for once,
Original Nardi.
Nardi, which I'm still surprised of.
And what's wrong with the one in Bima?
It's just a fake old steering wheel, and it's just like it moves everywhere where you hold it, and it's just very bad. So you might as well just.
Okay. That's the difference between Orinardi and this. This is fixed with a zip ties because that doesn't hold, broken, and you can feel in your hands how bendy it is compared to this one. Also, this one costs 10 times less than this one.
I like that one.
Yeah, let's put it to
King in the castle, king in the castle. So the clip that you just saw was filmed yesterday. We just went out for a quick test ride of the Beamer, and we realized that our driver's seat is actually broken. So we had to do something very fast, and we found these lovely seats from CRX, which is very nice. It's actually one of my favorite stock car seats. And they're sort of like a bucket seat, but looking nice as well, you know. So we just thought it's a good price, we might as well get that. And now we're gonna install both of them into the Beamer. The seats are in actually very good condition. They're just a bit dirty because they were in the basement for like, I don't know, a month or two.
my steering wheel, my gloves.
Steering wheel, gloves and steering wheel here.
Yeah.
Let's go. Mr. Ochroniarz. Okay, so we took out the mounts of the old seat, we've welded them onto the new seat, and now we're gonna install the new seat in the car. Oh, by the way, because no one said it on the video, it's 2.8. And boom! Man, those look so much better now. Okay, and that's it with this episode with the Beamer. Let me tell you what we did for the last month. The most important thing would be here, under the hood of course. We have 2.8 engine here, M52, almost 200 horsepower, which in this body I would say is pretty fast, pretty powerful. It's all done by Marek from Luni Workshop. Thank you very much, man. You did a great job.
Finally, we found a Marek who can do some work.
Yeah, finally some Marek who can do some job, not like this Caralho here. So 2 days ago, as you saw, it was a bit of snow and we tried this car drifting. And we noticed that another thing that needs to be done is the suspension, because the car is too soft for its power now. Basically, if you drift, if you do transition from left to right, you can feel the whole car goes like this instead of being stiff. We've already ordered some parts. We have a new suspension coming, so that's going to be a next thing with this car.
If it comes to the actual outside look of the car, we're not gonna change anything for this whole winter. We're gonna start working on the body and the look of the car after, so probably like April or so, when it's getting warm. Because the plan with the car is, if it survives the winter, I would really like to use it in at least one event next year. But for events, of course, the car needs to look very nice. And about the seats, I'm personally loving them. They look amazing. Especially the good shout was to change both seats, because originally I wanted to change just one, but then Sam was like, yeah, let's just do the proper job for once, change both, and yeah, it's looking very good.
I just need to wash them a bit because they're a bit dirty.
Yeah, I need to do some detailing.
Super happy with this car. Yeah, happy that it's back.
Okay, so thank you very much, and I suppose next time you will see us, we'll be using this bad boy on the streets.